feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Hiccups are caused by involuntary spasms of the diaphragm muscle, often triggered by eating too quickly, consuming hot or spicy foods, or feeling nervous or excited. To stop hiccups, try holding your breath for a few seconds, drinking a glass of cold water, or swallowing a teaspoon of sugar. These methods can help interrupt and reset the nerve impulses to the diaphragm that are causing the hiccups. If hiccups persist for more than 48 hours, consider consulting a healthcare provider as it might indicate a more serious underlying condition.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.